Hello everybody! I have arrived. I've been asked to make a video on how to make Melons a viable power source for now and potentially forever. Depending on if you want to expand on it or not, you can. You can add more of these, but enough of that. So what you're going to need is everything that's inside this chest. You can pause it and look through your own mod pack to see what you've got, if you need it or not. You don't need the energy upgrades or speed upgrades, it's just to obviously make the machines more efficient later on. But without further ado, let's get started, shall we? So you're going to need a coal generator to give it the initial power, and then it can start self-sustaining. It can be more self-efficient, self-sustaining, whatever. Either or, one of the two. But yeah, coal generator, garden cloche with a piece of dirt and a melon seed at least. Then you need it to go into a precision sawmill to turn the full melon into 9 slices. And then the 9 slices come out into the crusher. The crusher will turn it into biofuel, and then the biofuel will come out into the pressurized reaction chamber, which will become substrate, and a byproduct will be the ethylene, which goes into this machine. You also need the electrolytic separator to make hydrogen to add to your pressurized reaction chamber to start forming the substrate and the byproduct of ethylene, which will be used in this machine, the gas burner generator. So that is that. This is the basic setup. You can pause the video if you need to have a second on where to place stuff. You also need an electric pump with a water source block underneath it to obviously give the electrolytic separator water to power and the pressurized reaction chamber to also power. So we now need to go grab our lovely pipes and our coal or charcoal or whatever. So first off, we'll start connecting the water to our lovely machinery, the ones that need it. So that one, for example, needs water, and then this over here, we'll just bring it out this way. So you need our lovely water, sir. Don't mind if I do. So you go there, that's powering that. And then we need that to connect to that. So now this will start getting water, that will start getting water, and our garden cloche will start getting water. But it won't get water until you use this lovely wrench to start pulling it out. You also need to power it, but we're going to start it from here though. So add your power cables or your energy pipes or whatever you're going to be using, and just start threading it through to all of your lovely machines. So that will be powered, this will be powered, this will be powered, and then this will be powered. And then we can power this the same way that we're going to do the rest of it. I know it looks pretty ugly. You can make this a lot more, you know, less of an eyesore if you want to, but I like the crazy pipes, right? I like seeing all of the madness above ground because I just think it looks pretty cool, in my honest opinion. But we also need to use our lovely wrench to do that as well, to start powering all of our stuff. As you can tell, it's powering that, it's powering this, this, that, and this. So that's powering up with hydrogen, this is getting oxygen, but we're going to make it dump excess, because if you don't and leave it idle, it will stop producing hydrogen when the oxygen is full. Also, don't worry about the lack of electricity or power for the separator, because soon it will be self-sufficient and self-sustaining, and it will just be great overall. Right, but now we need to add our lovely melon to... oh, wrong item pipe. So now we start connecting the dots to this. Stop it from trying to go back inside as dirt, because that's not what we want. You're still filled with lovely stuff, yes. So now the precision sawmill connects to this, the crusher. And then the crusher comes out into the electrolytic separator, which is this bad boy. So the items will start going from here, our lovely melon, into this, the precision sawmill. So we do that. It's not taking it out. Why? Why you doing this to me? Huh? Why? Why do you do? Why do? Why? Yeah. Why? Okay, but it is connected to the back, so we need it to input items into there. So, also with configuring mechanism, yeah, you need to do all these. So input is obviously taking an item from another machine and bringing it to this machine. That's how that works. So that'll start generating 9 per slice, I guess. And then that needs to come out into the crusher, which it will do once I fix the other bit. Obviously, we're going to run out of power. That's normal, obviously. And then the crusher, we need it on input in the back again. Or not. I don't even know which way around I've placed these things. I'll be perfectly honest. Also, which one is it? I've baffled myself now. What? Oh, this, right. The front needs to be output. Like that. Eject. Yes. So then the items are going to there. Into the crusher. It will start crushing it. Don't worry, when that runs out of power, that's fine too. We don't need to worry about that sort of stuff. And then it goes into this in a minute. So we do that. The items will start coming out shortly. So let me do output on the right. So that'll start outputting it into... meant to output into that. Oh wait, we need this to be on input on the right, don't we? Yes. So input... right. Or not. What have I done? Oh, God. Oh, right. There we go. Input. So now that'll start taking the biofuel and putting it into here to make the substrate. And then we start getting ethylene. So the ethylene is obviously a gas product. Oh, we also need to connect this, which is hydrogen. So you connect into there. So this starts gaining hydrogen. Like so. You're now empty. Perfect. And then we need the substrate to come out, because if that fills up, all hell breaks loose and then you get confused. But yeah, so then this will be the output for the bottom, like that, for items. So that's gone. And then we connect the gas pipes to this, so we can start generating more power, right? But we will connect it from above. So that will go into there, like so, in a minute, once I figure out it all. Right, gases, output, like that. So now this starts generating power very nicely. It generates 11.28 KFE per millibucket, and we already have 392 millibuckets, right? So, the way this is going to work now is, when I can jump on top of stuff, it goes like that, right? And then it all starts powering each other. Ta-da! And that's how it's done, Buttercup. So this will start generating, this starts collecting power, this should carry on going indefinitely. This still has 5 left, which is great. This has 24 in, so that'll start producing more of the biofuel, which will go into this machine. Then that'll start making the ethylene, which will start filling this up quicker than it uses it, which is absolutely insane in my honest opinion. And then we don't need this anymore, so we can just get rid of you because you're useless to us now. But what I meant about the efficiency of the machines, obviously, like, this is going to be slow in general, so you can add more than one garden cloche to make the melons more efficient. And then you can upgrade the precision sawmill with speed and energy efficiency, so it'll be faster but more energy efficient, so it uses less power from the gas burning generator. The same with the crusher, the electrolytic separator, and obviously the pressurized reaction chamber. And then you can add multiples of these to expand your power-hungry horizons, which will make anything possible, I guess. I mean, in my streaming world, I only use 4 gas burning generators, I think, and it powers everything I use. That includes 2 builders, a quarry, a computer, charges all of my tools. It charges my infinity drill easily without fail. But if you are a very power-hungry person like I'm going to be in my live streams, I'm going to be charging up a huge energy cell multi-block. in my live streams, and we're just going to max that out. It's like GFE or TFE or something mad like that. But yeah, so this is the basics, and that is that. This is all you need. So to recap, you need a garden cloche with dirt and a melon, item pipes, a precision sawmill, a crusher, an electrolytic separator, and a pressurized reaction chamber. And of course, the one and only gas burner generator. That is it. Perfect, right? Simple, it's easy. All of these items are fairly simple to make, but I would say it's more early to mid game. So not like early. It is early to mid game for power, I would say. But if you beeline it like I do, every time I'm playing a Mechanism or an Immersive Engineering mod pack, I just beeline melon power. I'll go into the mines and hand mine everything I need for these. And the pipes are simple to make, I think, as far as I remember. Wait, let's see. Oh, I can't do it on that. Right, well, we're not going to see. So, anyway, that is literally it. That is that. This is an infinite power supply in its simplest form, in my opinion. But then again, I'm a grinder. I like grinding for all the cool, fun stuff. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like or whatever you do on YouTube. I have no idea. I just stream there. I don't make videos. So, thanks again, and I'll speak to you later. Peace out.